All right, everybody, this is Tom Baum, and we're getting ready to leave the Pig Trail Harley-Davidson dealer here in Rogers, Arkansas. And we're doing the Lace, the Grace, and Gears ride, and we're going to do a day ride, so it's open for everybody. And hopefully I get to do some videoing some of the roads that I don't normally get to do because I'm riding the motorcycle. Thank you to my friend here. Well, I get to ride in the back, and then I have my still camera with me also, so I can hopefully get some still shots, whatnot. So we're gonna just do this little video going out of here and down through Rogers, and then I'm gonna break it up into little. Actually, I'm just gonna do videos because there's gonna be a bunch of 1-2 minute ones. That way I don't bore everybody. There's a few bikes here, a lot of motivated women from all over the place. A lot of Texan girls, huh?
Yeah.
Holy moly, a lot of. Well, anyways, I thought we were getting ready to roll. It looks like they're leaving out. So we get to go over a lot of the bridges and byways and stuff here, which is good. And hopefully we'll get to go over Beaver Dam and get to see it from a motorcycle view. All right. There's some really good houses out through here. Beautiful. Assuming we're going this way to go through some red lights to avoid getting onto the 102 out in front of the dealership. All right, I'm going to cut this short, and I'll see everybody on the flip side.